Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. This is Ju Travel. For today's video, I'm doing another reaction. This time, I'm going to react another performance video of BGYO with their new song entitled Uuwian. So before proceeding my reaction, if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like buttons, click the notification bell in case I have a new video uploaded so that you'll be notified. So without any delay, let's proceed to this reaction. So I'm really excited for this one, guys, because this is their new song. So they just dropped this performance video a few hours ago. So I'm really excited. Hello, Aces! So guys, if you haven't seen my reaction to BGYO, just check on my channel. So i-check natin tong performance video nila. Ano kaya to, guys? Ano? Upbeat, ballad, R&B. So I don't have any idea. So let's check this video of them para malaman natin kung ano to. Kare-release ng ano nila, yung Gigil, meron na naman siyang bago. Uuwian. Ooh, nice. Wow. Ooh, ballad pala. Love song. Ooh. Yung outfit nila, guys, parang mix sa retro and modern sa pati yung dating ng music video nila, para ang ganda tingnan, retro, pati yung outfit nila. Parang naalala ko tuloy yung mga kundima nila na kanta. Look at their visuals, guys. Ganda na meaning ng song sa tingnan mo ano nila, looks ngayon. Si Mickey, komportable na sa mga kantang ganito Emote na emote sila. Ooh, Jello. Nate. My first na si Nate dito sa hindi na siya bata. Wow. Boses ni Aki, bagay na bagay sa kanta na to eh. Mukha ni Aki, simula nung nag-umpisa siya, ganun na talaga yung mukha niya sa charming na charming. Ooh, sino yung napulsito? Wow, GL. Ooh. Wow. Wow, guys. Na-surprise ako sa parang pa sa falsetto ni JL. Parang ang sarap pakinggan. Plus yung combination ng boses ni Aki at saka yung falsetto ni JL. Wow, ang sarap sarap sa tenga. Ang galing Gusto ko yung music video nila, guys. Parang relax lang sila. Then yung vibes niya parang retro modern types of music. So it's really nice. Parang as I mentioned a while ago na naalala ko tuloy yung music video nila na ang dating parang yung kundiman. So ang sarap pakinggan. So ibang na naman to, ibang flavor. Yung nakaraang araw or yung few days ago, iba din ang atake nung kanta nilang Gigil. Yun, masyado siyang parang masyadong sexy, masyadong suabe. Ito mahina, Grabe yung soulfulness ng mga boses nila. Parang in love sila sa yung sa kantang ito eh. Ang ganda lang pakinggan nila eh. Yes, sir! Formal na formal yung outfit nila ah. Ooh. Ganda din ang boses ni Nate sa improve na talaga. Ganda ng beat ng nila, instrumental. Instrument. Grabe, ang linis ng boses ni JL. Ibang-iba din ito eh. In love yung dating nila ah. Wow, ang ganda. Nakakatuwa. So, there you go guys, my reaction to the performance video of BGYO with their new song entitled Uuwian. So, I hope you like and enjoy this video. If you have any suggestion or any recommendation for me to react, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. Until next time, bye for now.